Hey James, so this is how you're going to schedule an appointment using the calendar app. So right now I'm in my Google Calendar app here. So this is the calendar app. So once you come into the calendar app, let's say I want to schedule an appointment for, say, let's say, um, 19th of February. So I'm going to click this plus sign. I'm going to click event, and then I'm going to type James meeting, and I'll select the date here. So let's say the date that I want to select is 1st of I'm going to select, say, 31st, or I'm going to select 29th of January, let's say. Okay, so I'll select 29th of January. Okay, 29th of January, and I'm going to write the email. So James Bula 88. So I already have the email here. So I'll select this. I'm going to click done, and then I'm going to select the timing here. So 11:30 p.m. EST. 11:30 p.m. EST is my time is 1 p.m. 11:30 p.m. India time is 1 p.m. EST your time, and I'll give it a default color, maybe whatever. I'll give it tomato color, and then I'm going to click save, and I'll click send. Okay, now once I do this, you see the meeting will be set up here. So there are two boxes because the day is changing here, so that's why there are two boxes. But this is how you set up in a meeting. Okay.